Hi everyone, want to create a viral AI character on Chai that everyone chats with? Let's build your iconic AI step by step. First, you need to do is to log in the Chai and head to create a bot section. This is where the viral character begins. Then pick a unique name or profile pic. Choose a name that stands out, just a funny, mysterious, or flirty. Then also you can add an eye-catching profile picture to make your bot instantly clickable. And then write a compelling description. Your description is the hook. You can add the personality, whatever you like, and think what would you click on. Then define the personality and backstory. In the prompt settings, give your bot a strong persona, habits, and catchphrases, even flows. The more real, the better. Then spice up and then creative and coherent. Chat with your bot yourself and refine how based it responds. Then share it with the Chai communities or in TikTok to go viral. And that's how you create a viral Chai AI character. Please like and subscribe for this video. Thanks for watching.